Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a build where a speed build. Yeah, we're gonna try a speed build today. Hopefully it works. Let's go. And I want to try putting this one. Yeah. Alright, next one. Let's try to you guys recognize there's no branches. Any branches for these. Because the ground smash has can have three. So we're gonna go that two. I feel like we should go back to we should go back to this. Yeah. So we can go down, jump, back to jump, then back, and then cool. I like that. Then I think we want to add this one. And then I could go back to this one. Yeah, that looks good. That's good. Looks good. Cool. Alright, so for this one, this one, if you use all two charges, it's really 4 movements. But this one it has a very short distance, so I'm going to use shield charge instead. And piercing armor here, and beside it I'm going to have another off kilter. So we have 3 off kilters in this build. So off kilter is very important for this build. Yeah, you guys ready to go to the desert to test it? Let's go, baby, let's go. Here we go. That's it, bro. That's it. Peace out, everybody.